Hi, my name is Felicia and I'm going to show you how to style this crochet top today. Yellow is one of my favorite colors to wear because it just fits into summer styles as well as fall as well. This first look would be so perfect for the beach or for a summer concert. The paper bag waist shorts are so comfortable, lightweight, and breezy when the weather is hot. I would suggest pairing some boho sandals with this look to tie everything in. You can add some fun yellow jewelry to play up the monochromatic vibes as well. This next look is perfect for a beach resort vacation. The black flowy shorts feel more sophisticated while still being comfy and breathable. And of course, who doesn't love pockets? The ruffles definitely add a little bit of interest too, and a little bit of movement. A neutral crossbody purse and some neutral block heel sandals would tie this look together. You can also take this look into the night with this lace open cardigan and changing to some strappy wedges. It's also great to have a cardigan just in case it's a cooler summer night or if you prefer some more arm coverage as well. This next look would really do well for a girls' night out. This skirt is comfy but still has a slit for a little bit of an edgier look. You can pair your favorite combat boots or chunky black platform sandals with some chunky silver or black jewelry. A small black crossbody completes the effortless rocker chic look. You can even do a heavy winged eyeliner for the final touches, and perhaps if you're feeling a little bit bold, try a red lip with this one. Red and yellow do go together, I promise. And then with fall coming soon, yay, my favorite season, I figured some transition outfits would be great. Crochet fashion isn't just for summer. If you couldn't tell, I'm a little edgy with my style. Black ripped jeans and a chunky cardigan are my go-to fall pieces. Great for a day at the pumpkin patch or a corn maze. Combat boots or a wedge sneaker would go well with this look as well. Last but not least, let's get a little spooky. I adore this graveyard cardigan. It's so soft and comfortable and a little bit heavy-weighted. The mesh banded leggings are a little more mystery than plain black leggings. And I love pairing them with lots of black, spooky, gothic tops normally. But this yellow one will go well with it too. I would wear this look to a haunted house attraction or just out on the town looking for Halloween decor. Add a novelty bag and earrings to make this look even more fun. Happy haunting!